Hi there, welcome to Cooking with Hilda. In today's video, we are gonna make a charcuterie board. And these kind of boards are fancy and elegant and super fun. But sometimes they look hard to make, but it's actually easy. It's just about the way you arrange everything in your charcuterie board. To make it, you will need, of course, meat, cheese, fruits, some vegetables, perhaps some spreads, jelly, honey, and nuts. And do not forget about the crunch. You can add crunch with crackers or even with some homemade bagel that you can rub with garlic and butter and some herbs. Delicious. In this charcuterie board, we are gonna use a homemade cheese. It's delicious, simple, and it adds your personal signature to it. And you can find that recipe in the description section. So let's start making our fancy, elegant, beautiful, but super easy to make charcuterie board. I have here a nice selection of ingredients to make the charcuterie board. It is a big deal for a lot of people out there when to call it charcuterie board or just cheese board or just a spread board. But let's not get into that right now. Let's talk a little bit about what kind of meats I have here. I have some copper, soppressata, salami, prosciutto, hard salami, Canadian bacon. I also have here different kind of cheese. My personal favorite is the manchego. We also have here vegetables, different selection of grapes, tomatoes, kiwis. I love dragon fruit on any beautiful charcuterie board. They look very elegant and they are delicious. Olives are a classic. Also, pistachios and almonds are also a nice addition to any charcuterie board. I also like to add honey or even hummus. I know that's not very common, but I like it. I have here a big spread of ingredients for the charcuterie board. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and use my kitchen island as a board. But you can always size it to the amount of people you are gonna host. I like to make little flowers when arranging the meat to make it a little extra special, and they are very easy to make. You just fold it and fold it again, and this is like a little tulip. I am also going to show you how to make beautiful flowers to decorate your board, and for that I like to use gloves. The way to make it is just arranging the meat around a cup, a clean cup, and you overlap a little bit of it each time. Do the same thing 5 or 6 times, and when you finish, you just do it like this. These are gonna look so beautiful and elegant on your board. Do as many you want. You can also make these with very thinly sliced apples or pears. So we've finished a beautiful, elegant, well-balanced charcuterie board. And do not forget your homemade cheese. This is gonna be that signature for your charcuterie board. Don't forget that you can find that recipe in the description section. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you find it useful. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. See you guys next time here in Cooking with Hilda.